Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve Ho Ong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next Banco Filipino related videos is about the customer service call center. I will explain it what's the meaning of this. Ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung anong ibig sabihin itong sinasabi kong customer service care na call center. By the way, this is very new. Hindi to common unlike yung sa first and second closure. Kung matatandaan ninyo yung nangyari sa Bangko Filipino, yung bago mag first closure, di ba, kuan sila real time pag magbabalidate ng transaction, halimbawa online, no? Online. Kasi actually, to be honest, modern sila. Yung pagka second opening, di ba, nagpa-member sila ng BancNet. Di ba, nagsarada that time, di ba? Uso pa yung BancNet, Megalink, di ba? Ito, mas paganda. Just in case, pangatlong bukas, magkakaroon ng customer service, kung siya ang labas, parang call center. So, this will be another entity. Of course, kung just in case magre-register sa SEC or Philippine Stock Exchange, PSE, kasi ang pinaka-requirement is bukod sa BSP banking license, magkakaroon tayo ng call center service support. Halimbawa, by the way, ang operation niya is 24 hours. Of course, 3 shifts. Kasi sa call center, pwede ka mag-operate ng 24 hours. This one is another budget na naman. So, malaki-laki din ang puhunan, pero maganda ang service. May accounts na ma-assign. Halimbawa, kung na-problema sa ATM, na-capture, or halimbawa nakuan siya yung halimbawa bigyan ko kay example, ang ATM card na capture kung saang branch, yun 24 hours 24 hours halimbawa may naka-duty, so yun. Tapos ito ang pinaka advantage, what I call this, credit card, yan yung bills. Yan yung mga adjustment nagkaroon ng hacking, yan magandang kon yan. Then pangatlo, yung bank accounts, halimbawa na nagkaroon ng technicalities, yan ang tawag dyan, technical support. So malaki. Kung matatandaan yung sinabi kong past videos, makakaroon ng technical support. Ayan. Fourth, kung example may other customer related concerns, pwede na mag-contact sa hotline. Din 3 shifts pa rin sila. So ang mangyayari 8 hours. So yan. So I hope that this video will be a good sign for us sa just in case. I'm not saying they need to open right away, because there are some depositors, they are worried, and some they are conscious. So yun talaga ang malaking improvement. Pero ito, malaking punan to. This is not an ordinary this will not be an ordinary capital, because kasi 24 hours yan CBM mangyari, may bangko ito siya, kung just in case yung building own siya, likod ng building own sa main office, magkakaroon ng call center. Yan na yung 24-hour hotline. CB technical support siya. So, malaki improvement. Then in the future din makakaroon din ng provincial call center din. Ang I was thinking yung mga big key cities like Manila, Cebu, tsaka Davao. Puro sila city. Hindi remote areas. Kasi para hindi rin magkakakuan. Step by step muna tayo. Okay? By the way, this will be my Bangko Filipino related videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click my next notification bell about Bangko related videos. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning. And don't forget to inform your friends, relatives who are former depositors sa Bangko Filipino. They can share this video. Walang criticism, walang walang negative impact. Yung second clause is just only nadapa lang talaga. Nadapa lang tayo sa dahil sa misunderstanding. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning.